You want to take a seat on my bumper then?
No. What'd you pull me over for?
Okay, you're pulled over because your car has an expired insurance.
What does that have to do with
You have to have valid insurance in order to drive a car.
me?
You were driving.
You pulled me over.
575. Can I get a second unit? One's available. Code 2, please. Have your license, registration, and insurance, please. I'm sorry?
It's not a bad stop.
It is a valid stop. Do me a favor, go ahead and take a seat on the front bumper, please. Sir, I'm going to need you to stop.
Excuse me, this is not a valid stop.
It is a valid stop. I'm not going to argue with you. You can stop now or you're going to be under arrest.
For what?
For interfering right now. You failure to provide a driver's license. You are operating a motor vehicle. You're required to provide documentation.
Do you have a body camera on?
Yes, sir. It's right here. It's recording.
So this is not a valid stop.
I'm going to ask you one more time to take a seat on the bumper, or I will place you in handcuffs and detain you.
You're not going to detain me because I
am.
Listen, man. I've not committed any crime.
You're committing one right now by failing to provide a driver's license. So if you continue to do that, then I will place you in handcuffs. Those are the options. Either you take a seat on my front bumper,
including my right.
either you take a seat. Okay. Well, you're not free to go. So you are being detained right now.
Why are you touching me?
Stop.
Stop touching me.
You are being detained right now.
You are illegally
Up against the car, please.
Why are you touching me? Why are you doing this to me? Excuse me.
I explained to you why.
No, you didn't.
This is unlawful
detention. Can you please stop?
It's not unlawful.
It is unlawful.
I need you to relax.
I'm reserving all rights.
You are resisting me right now.
No,
relax your arm.
It's an unlawful detention. You cannot touch me.
Relax your arm.
What crime have I committed?
You can argue it in court. We're not going to argue here on the street. Relax.
It's an unlawful detention, man.
It is not an unlawful detention.
Why are you touching me? What crime have I committed?
You are under arrest right now.
For
relax
what
your
crime?
arm. We can argue it later.
What crime? You have
575. Go ahead and step it up. He's non-compliant.
I'm not being compliant.
Relax your
You're
arm
the one that's
now.
You're the one that's touching me unlawfully.
You're right. I am.
Okay, unlawfully.
I'm not playing with you.
Okay, you can't
You
just...
can relax your arm,
What
and you can
crime
go
have
in
I committed?
handcuffs. I've explained it to you several times what crime you've committed.
What crime?
I've explained it to you several times. I'm not arguing with you.
Why are you doing this to me, man?
He's just refusing to comply right now, but he's under arrest. You're under arrest. Okay. 574, we're code 4, within 1. I got it. Thank you.
Yep. Okay. Is there anybody else in the car?
No, it's just him. It's as far as I saw. If you want to double check. Do you have an ID on you, sir? I'll go ahead and take those. Okay, come back here. Face the 911 for me. Go ahead and widen your feet. Got anything on it that's going to stick me or poke me? Fantastic. Want to lean back from the car a little bit? You have a knee brace or a artificial leg? Go ahead and take a seat, sir. Okay. Go ahead and take a seat.
We have one right here.
All the way in the car, please. All the way in the car, please. Thank you.
We'll talk to you in a moment, okay?
No, he got out as soon as I pulled up behind him. So, here, let me, oh no, it's on. So, I pull in behind him. He's got invalid insurance. He passed me over on Hawthorne and Monroe. He gets out, refuses to comply, won't sit down, won't give me anything, saying he wasn't driving. Clearly he was. And then, so I told him, I was like, well, here are your options. Either you provide me with your driver's license or you're going to be detained. Didn't want to comply with that. Put hands on him, still not complying. called for a second unit. Now we're here. Didn't fight or anything, just resisting.
Fighting.
Sorry?
So it was fighting.
No, not fighting. Or, I'm sorry. Just like, you know, tensing up, refusing to put his arms behind his back. I'm sorry?
Is he intox?
Not that I can tell. Nothing obvious. I don't smell anything. He's not slurring or anything. Just not cooperative. So I'll work on IDing him and figuring out what we got.
Okay.
All right, sir. Just so you know, everything in here is being audio and video recorded, okay? And he didn't have a wallet on him, so I don't know if he's got ID in there, but he's not talking to me. All right, sir. Are you going to provide me with your name, please? Name and date of birth is all I need from you right now. Fantastic. No wallet in there?
There is maybe a wallet in there,
Okay.
but did he give you a name?
No, he's not talking.
Here, pause. Immediately.
What's the plate on the vehicle? Come back to you when I bring it the last plate on there.
Dispatch has been updated. Dispatch has been updated.
You have the keys.
Yeah, they're on the roof.
Is he the RO of the...
So the RO has no DMV photo, so I'm trying to find it another way. And it has...
Is he not IDing himself?
No, he's refusing to talk.
Hi. How's it going? That'll be her job. You asked to talk to a supervisor next.
I'm putting the keys on your hood.
Thank you, ma'am.
If you wanted to talk to a supervisor, there's one here if you look this up for me. I want to go my rights first.
Oh, Lordy. I'll read them. Okay. So it's my duty to warn you before you make a statement that you have the right to remain absolutely silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have a right to consult an attorney before making any statement. If you are without funds, you have a right to a court-appointed attorney at public expense. You have a right to have your attorney present when and if you do make any statement. You have the right to interrupt the conversation at any time, and anything you do say must be freely and voluntarily said. Do you understand these rights?
I most certainly do.
Do you have any questions about your rights?
I want to know why I'm in handcuffs.
Okay, but I just need to ensure that you don't have any questions about your actual rights first.
Yeah, my right to be free
Okay.
is not to be put in handcuffs. So why am I in handcuffs?
Do you have any questions about the rights that I just read you?
Nope.
Okay.
Why
You are
am I
in
handcuffs?
you are in handcuffs because when I stopped you, you got out of the car and refused to.
stop me.
Would you like to hear the answer to your question, or do you want to
go
interrupt
ahead.
me? Okay. So when you got out of the car, I asked you to stay in the car. You refused to do so. I asked you to sit
You
down.
asked me.
Do you want to hear
I
the
don't have
answer?
to. Right?
Do you want to hear the answer?
You asked me, right?
Okay. So then I told you to identify yourself, which you also refused to do.
Right. Which
So-
I have every right to do because I haven't committed
You
a crime.
don't actually. So you are
Actually, I
required
do.
by
Do
law
you-
when you are operating a motor vehicle to
I'm not
identify
operating a
yourself
motor
when
vehicle,
stopped in a
nor am I
traffic stop.
driving. I'm an attorney. I'm going to let you know
Okay,
that right
well-
now. You've lost all qualified immunity at this point because you don't have a reasonable articulable suspicion nor a probable cause of a crime being committed. Not only that, you introduced and called other people to get involved in your situation and open up my car door without a warrant whatsoever. You don't even have a warrant for me whatsoever. You pulled me over for a non-moving violation based on what? You say you pulled me over, but I was already out of my car before your lights even came on. You about to lose your RA. You about to lose all qualified immunity if you don't let me up out these handcuffs and release me right now.
Okay, well that's not going to happen right
Okay,
now. Okay.
so what-
But
for
what
what
I
crime?
do need from you
What
is for
crime?
you to identify yourself.
Guess what? Browns versus Texas says I don't have to identify unless there's a crime that has been committed. You don't have any crime that's being committed.
Are you aware that you are required to identify
Are you
yourself,
aware
carry
that
a
I am the
driver's
highest of
license while
authority,
operating
and I
a
have
motor
no
vehicle?
contract with the state whatsoever? That's why you can't find me in the DMV system. I have no contract. I don't have to abide by anything that you're talking about because right here within this county and this city, within your municipal code in which you operate under, street and road is both defined as open as a matter of right for public vehicular travel. So if it's open as a matter of right for public vehicular travel, why are you harassing me? You need to go look up the definition of road, street, alley, way, or public highway right here in which the city for you work for. What?
I'm listening.
Okay, so go ahead and look up the definition of street, road, highway, byway right here in your municipal code.
For what
And
purpose?
Because it says that I have every right. I have an open as a matter of right for public vehicular travel. That's verbatim what the definition says.
A right for vehicular travel
Open
for what?
as a matter of right for public vehicular travel. That doesn't mean driving.
So you
that doesn't
were
mean covers.
traveling in a vehicle.
That I'm traveling in my private conveyance, which is under UCC
Perfect. That's operating a motor
9-109.
vehicle under the Oregon
it's
state
not.
law, which means
Conveyance.
you are required to have a driver's
Do you
license.
see me operate? Am I employed? Do you see that Black Law's dictionary in the back seat? Yeah, go on ahead. You gonna lose it?
Okay, I'm guessing he's Cameron. Oh, hi, sorry. I'm guessing he's Cameron, the RO, who is suspended.
There's no picture.
No picture, no, because when they're suspended, for whatever reason, they pull it from the system.
System. I'm not in your system. You gonna get a? I appreciate you. You don't let me go.
Is your name Cameron? Are you Cameron?
I'm not identifying. I'm becoming
Yeah.
Browns versus Texas State. So I have to read lawsuits right now. I'm not gonna argue about this. I'm an attorney. You're not gonna get anything about this.
That's fine. We just need your name.
I'm not giving you anything.
And the longer we do this, the longer it's going to take, right? And like, you're
Listen,
ultimately
the
gonna-
longer, no,
Listen.
I was
Can you
illegally.
listen? I listened to
I
you.
no, I don't have to listen, and I'm not going to. I have my rights have been violated. The 4th, 5th, 6th, and 1st. I have a right to remain silent.
So ultimately what's going to happen is I have to make you feel
Good.
like
If y'all want to do that, guess what? The lawsuit gets bigger, and you're going to lose qualified immunity. It's going to be a conspiracy against you because you're included with her. It's going to be a 1960, 1980 hospital. I already got a 19. It's going to be 19. So the more y'all do, the more I get paid. This is what I do. So if you want to do this, you see the Black Law's dictionary in the back seat.
have you been paid thus far on this?
Yes. Do you want to be the next one to lose qualified immunity? Because I'm not going to play that. It's an illegal pull over.
Cool.
I